Hey there friends, this is Debbie from Southern Delight. I want to show you real quickly how to put together a quick fall arrangement. Well, I know you guys probably have a lot of these vases lying around. Well, this is really quick and easy. Take one of those vases. These are just some flowers that I happened to pick up from, yes, the Dollar Tree. Actually Dollar General on the blue and the green back there. These items up front, let's see, those were in a little box. And that one, I think you guys, Hobby Lobby, I snuck in there on you. And over here, these are all Dollar General. Again, this is really quick and easy. And all I did was I took the pumpkins, dropped them in, did pumpkin, pine cone, berries, a leaf, pumpkin, pine cone, berries. And again, I'm going to drop a leaf, pumpkin, pine cone, a leaf on that side. This little guy right here, see if we can squeeze him down in here in the middle. Got the inside all done. Next, I'm going to take the ferns here, stick them down here in the center. Now I've got these. I just love these with the animal print in it. We're going to do one of these guys on each side. Voila. This little wheat stem, dead center. And then these little guys, the blue ones, just put them on each side of it. Like that. This side. We'll turn it around. One there. And then I've got 3 of these. We'll do one dead center. And then one on each side like that. One over here. And voila, a beautiful fall arrangement. Just wanted to pass that along to you.